Hello friends, welcome to GreyPot. Today we're gonna make this very tasty veg starter recipe, and this is so delicious and very easy to make. So let's see how to make this baby corn fritters. All the ingredient list is given in the description box. Please check it out. Before we move on, click the subscribe button if you have not subscribed to GreyPot, and click the bell icon to get notifications whenever I post a new video. Now into a bowl add corn flour, all-purpose flour and some salt and mix it. Now add in some ginger and garlic paste and combine it well with the flour. Now add around 4 to 5 tablespoons of water and beat that really well. Now you'll get a thick paste like this. Now add in the baby corn pieces. As our batter consistency is really thick, it will get well coated on top of the baby corn. Now sprinkle some sesame seeds and mix it. When you fry these baby corns in oil, these sesame seeds will give you a good crunch. Now heat some oil in a pan and fry them. Try to put each baby corn pieces separately and don't dump everything all together. Because after frying, you will get all the pieces separated. Now take them into a kitchen towel to remove the excess oil. After frying all the baby corn pieces, let's make the sauce. Into another pan, heat around 2 tablespoons of oil and add some garlic pods. Once this garlic is slightly fried, add chili flakes, tomato sauce or tomato ketchup, some soy sauce, and a dash of vinegar, and mix it. Now to balance the taste of vinegar, add some sugar. Add around 3 tablespoons of water to make the sauce a bit loose. Mix it. Now our sauce is ready. Now we're going to fry these baby corns once more. And this is completely optional. If you fry these baby corns 2 times, it will remain more crispy. Now after frying it for the second time, add these baby corns into the sauce and give it a good toss. And make sure all the pieces are very well coated with the sauce. Look at that, our baby corn fritters are ready. Garnish it with some spring onion and sprinkle some white sesame seeds on top. Oh, it looks simply awesome. So here it is, our veg starter baby corn fritters is ready. So give this video a big thumbs up, share it with your friends and leave me a comment if you like the recipe. You can follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and Google+. Click the logo to subscribe to GreyPot and don't forget to click the bell icon to get notifications. You can check out more interesting recipes from our channel GreyPot. Thanks for watching.